Describe your boss without using bad words.
Nakaka-inspire siya to look for other jobs.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Hindi siya toxic, pero lahat ng umalis, gumaan ang buhay.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Inspirational siya na kaya gusto ko na lang magnegosyo.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Malakas siyang maka-inspire ng resignations.
Ha, totoo naman eh. Describe your boss without using bad words.
Team player, pero nasa ibang team lagi.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Leader siya, laging nauuna umuwi.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Magaling mag-motivate. Like, usually gamit fear and intimidation.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Supportive siya. Lagi kaming sinusuportahan sa overtime.
Describe your boss without using bad words.
Ano comment po? Uy, kayo naman, eto. Naman, okay. Kayo nakakayaw pa interview.